I'm Dr. David Berv, and we're here with Alexa, who has participated in our multiple sclerosis and flotation case study. Alexa, tell us your main takeaways from this case study with regard to multiple sclerosis.
So after being diagnosed with MS, we really like to find, especially me, MS patients like to find, different therapies that can help us, recuperate faster from our flare-ups and also keep those flare-ups away for as long as we can. After coming here for about 3 to 4 times of floating, I was able to, definitely feel the positive effects of everything. And it would last from 3 to 4 days, and continuously after I became a, frequent patient here, or frequent client, those, positive effects lasted even longer and longer, which is great because now I haven't floated for about 3 weeks now after the studies ended, and I still feel great. So basically my biggest takeaway with everything, for the floating, was, when I had MS, being diagnosed brings so much stress on my body, first of all, but also mentally, as well as bringing anxiety because, of the uncertainty of, the diagnosis that, I've been given. So while floating, I was able to come here and get into that meditative state and just calm down. I was able to get away from everything, just be by myself, and just relax for once. So with that being said, my stress levels have never been this low, because if you know me, I'm a very stressful person with anything. And the fact that my anxiety level has gone down immensely, and I'm able to sit there and just relax. I don't stress too much about anything. And then to begin with, my sleep schedule was always not the best. Once I was diagnosed, I wasn't sleeping very well just because of the pain, as well as the fact that, with the pain I wasn't sleeping, but I was just in a really bad mindset to where I just didn't want to do a single thing. So after, floating, I was able to get that sleep schedule back. I was able to sleep longer and sleep through the night, which was horrifying to me to not be able to sleep through the night. So being able to come here, float for a little bit, go home, be able to sleep was just like a godsend for me. I wanted to just cry my eyes out from being able to sleep, which is funny, but it's like, oh my gosh. But along with everything like that, I've also been doing some physical training and just try to get myself back to where I was before my first flare-up. My muscle and stuff like that. So after that, I would come here and float, and it's basically just like an Epsom salt bath. So when you get here and you're floating, not only am I getting that mental stimulation, but I'm getting, my muscles are starting to relax finally, and I reduce the soreness for the next day, which is great for me.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.